Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechEmpty. In this video, we'll be unboxing and discussing the Lilliput A7s 7-inch 4K HDMI Field Monitor, a fantastic tool for videographers and filmmakers. We'll also be answering some frequently asked questions about this monitor. So, let's get started. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the contents of the packaged box. Inside, you will find Lilliput A7s unit, red silicone case, camera mount, mini HDMI to HDMI cable, monitor hood, and a battery plate. Please note that you need to purchase a compatible battery separately, and the recommended battery is F970 or NP-F750, which I am using. Additionally, the monitor requires a 12 volts DC power adapter, which is not included in the package. The Lilliput A7s boasts a 7-inch high-definition IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, providing crystal clear visuals for your footage. It supports up to 4K input via HDMI 2.0 and offers helpful features such as focus peaking and false color to enhance your shooting experience. On the top of the device, you will find power button, 2 custom function keys, exit button, and a multifunctional scroll wheel. On the side, there are 3.5 mm audio output, HDMI in and out ports, 12 volts DC power in port. One of the key benefits of the Lilliput A7s is its lightweight design, weighing only 120 grams, making it ideal for outdoor shoots and on-the-go filming. Setting up your Lilliput A7s monitor is a breeze. Simply connect the monitor to your camera using the included HDMI cable and you are all set. Please remember that the monitor doesn't have an inbuilt battery or SD card and does not support editing. While the Lilliput A7s offers many advantages, there are a few limitations to consider. Some users, including myself, have reported that the monitor doesn't attach securely to the frame. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions about the Lilliput A7s monitor. What is the price of the Lilliput A7s 7-inch monitor in India? The Lilliput A7s 7-inch monitor is priced at Rs 16,000 in India. What is the aspect ratio of the Lilliput A7s monitor? The Lilliput A7s monitor features a 16:9 aspect ratio. How much does the Lilliput A7s monitor weigh? The Lilliput A7s monitor weighs approximately 120 grams. The Lilliput A7s 7-inch 4K HDMI Field Monitor is an excellent investment for photographers and videographers who need a high quality and portable monitor. You can purchase the Lilliput A7s monitor through the affiliated link provided here in the description of this video below. Remember, it won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support our channel. If you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.